Hello and welcome to the channel Mr. Market Explainer. In this video, I'm going to share with you a list of stocks that I have chosen based on the price action. The charts that I'm going to share with you in just a few moments are all of 1-day time frame. The stocks that I share are at either important levels of support and resistance or are forming some well-known chart patterns. These stocks could be important for tomorrow and for the upcoming days. Also, please note that carefully trading and investing with your money is your own responsibility. This video is for educational purposes only. With that being said, let me share with you first stock on my list, and that happens to be IOC, the Indian Oil Corporation. The current price of this stock is Rs 71.15, and the reason I chose this stock would be pretty clear to you by now, I assume. The stock is near its short-term support of Rs 70. This support seems to have been tested many times and the stock keeps bouncing off every time it touches this level. The resistance seems to be at Rs 73 and above. Given the day it was today, the stock has shown some strength comparatively. The volumes are also stronger than most other days. So I would suggest that you keep this stock on your watch and take appropriate trading and or investing decisions for yourself. Next stock on my list is Motherson. The ticker is Motherson and the company name is Samvardhana Motherson International Limited. The current price of this stock is 125.65, and the reason that I chose this stock is because of this clear descending triangle pattern that has been forming for quite a while now. Also, the stock has taken support from 120 and the volumes on Tuesday were incredible. Roughly 31.5 million shares were traded day before yesterday, and today, again, given the domestic and international cues, the stock rose 2.24% in comparison. So keep the stock on the watch. Also, in case the support breaks, the next support lies around Rs 112. Another stock on the radar could be Hcl Tech. Given that IT sector has gone through a massive correction and is still going through it, I'm watching IT stocks closely. One such stock is Hcl Tech. However, the reason that I chose this stock is actually technical and not fundamental. The stock had been trading in the falling channel pattern and recently broke out of it but did not give any breakout move whatsoever. But now the stock seems to be retesting its upper trend line of the falling channel pattern. The current market price is Rs 926.05. Next stock that I chose is Bpcl. Even though the stock has given breakouts and failed quickly, one thing that this stock seemed to follow certainly is its trend line. This is the second time that the stock bounced off its trend line, and that too with comparatively better volumes in recent days. The current market price is Rs 331.35. The stock is up 0.82% today. Then there is Happiest Mind Technologies. The current market price of this stock is Rs 1031.35. The stock gave a very strong breakout move of more than 10%. The breakout area is at Rs 1000. Recently, the stock returned to this area and bounced off. The volumes, however, I should mention, are not as strong in comparison to recent days. So if you're interested in this stock and could wait for 1000 levels, I think that this stock could present an opportunity at those levels. Keep the stock on your watch. Next stock on the list is Power Finance Corporation. The stock has been forming a rectangle chart pattern which is pretty clear. The stock is down 1.8% today. However, I should mention today was the ex-dividend date of the stock. The stock closed 2 rupees and 15 paisa down, which also happens to be roughly equal to the amount of dividend, that is 2 rupees 25 paisa. So this down move could be because of this amount of dividend. Ignoring that, the stock is now near its support of the rectangle chart pattern. The support lies at Rs 117 and the current market price is Rs 117.45. Then there is this stock that has been following its chart pattern pretty ardently. The stock is Bandhan Bank. The stock has been forming this ascending triangle pattern. Even though the breakout failed, the stock again took support at this trend line. The current market price is Rs 278.55. The resistance seems to be at Rs 289.30. Please keep in mind that these stocks could be important for tomorrow and for the upcoming days since the time frame is 1 day. So if these stocks don't move or show any action tomorrow itself, don't discard them from your watch list. Watch and observe them carefully. Also, you're most welcome to share any feedback that you might want to share with me and others. See you in another video.